Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com. This is another design, in this case the GS 1200, year production 2004 to 2007. Don't forget to visit our website BMWworldstickers.com with many more models to offer. We always produce the design with the thought of the rider in mind. He will always faces north, so he's going through Africa towards Europe. Everything is in scale. As you go around the world, from the west side of the world, you're gonna start with South America. Later we will progress to Central America, with having in mind that we are going towards Canada and USA later on, where obviously we must not forget the top destination of Alaska, where Prudhoe Bay is a must. As we keep going round, top destination of north of Europe, North Cap. And later we move to Siberia, the coldest part of Russia. As we keep going, we are gonna go to the east of the world, where we are gonna find China, Mongolia, and later on Middle East. Welcome to BMWworldstickers.com.